Uncle Tony, how do you cure hiccups?
So hey guys, this is my niece Erika over here saying the hi. She's got nice teeth. Erika, to answer your question about the hiccups, the best way Uncle Tony knows to get rid of the hiccups is to scare somebody, you know? Like, maybe you could like throw a glass against the wall. Could like, like go at him like you're gonna choke him. That could probably scare it at him. If that don't work, you could just take out, pop one against the wall, see what happens, that will probably scare it out of him.
Uncle Tony, what would you look like without your hair?
What do you think it is?
Biscotti.